relationship with China has evolved significantly over the years from a point of view of strong diplomatic ties which underpin the robust and growing economic and trade partnership. And as many of you know, trade between our two nations has expanded rapidly at the rate of almost or more 15% per annum. And China, as you know, stands as our largest trading partner, one of the largest, I should say. Last week, I also had the privilege of representing Fiji at the China International Import Expo. Some of you in the audience may have been at that expo, where I had the opportunity to engage with Chinese business leaders, the investors and businessmen, and also the innovators. And during the CIIE, we showcased some of Fiji's key export products, such as the mineral water that we are famous for, our noni beverages, health-based products like turmeric, also kava-based products is also growing in the Chinese market. And all this highlights immense potential for Fijian-made products and Fijian-grown products in China's huge and rapidly expanding market. So, as Fiji and China prepare to celebrate the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic relations next year, we are proud of the progress that is being made in strengthening our bilateral ties and also our economic and trade ties. And no doubt, this exhibition will further deepen our trade and investment relationship and contribute to the continued growth of our economy, mutually benefiting both our countries. As I earlier referred to, the exhibitors from China are showcasing an impressive range of products which you've heard, and services. And this includes plant and machinery, infrastructure, construction, power equipment, of course electronic products, general machinery, aquaculture, agricultural technology, and of course automotive products as well. So this is very exciting, as the exhibition provides a chance for Fijian businesses to also showcase their products at this stage. There will be spaces allocated for our MSME and Fijian companies that is identified by Investment Fiji to also be present there. And through our participation, we'll be also presenting some of the unique qualities and diversity of Fijian products, from our organic products such as ginger, turmeric, and other agricultural goods, to other consumer products like water, cosmetics, canned food, liquor, and more. So this event holds significance for Fiji at several levels. As I noted, China being a key trading partner, and we will cement this partnership by facilitating direct interaction, what they call B2B, between Chinese and Fijian businesses. This will enable, as you know, knowledge exchange, building of trust, which is very important in business, laying of groundwork for future collaboration. I don't need to tell you this, but as you all know, China has made tremendous strides in technological advancements in various sectors, including what I got to witness directly at the CIIE in the margins, aquaculture and agriculture. Also in renewable energy, electronic and technology. This event provides opportunity for Fijian businesses to directly see these technologies in action and also learn a little bit about this technology. When we talk about economic development, events like this are powerful catalysts. They create a ripple effect, driving growth, not just for participating businesses, but for the business community at large. For Fiji, I have to reiterate that this exhibition underscores our commitment to expanding our global footprint and strengthening of our ties with China, a country that plays a central role in the global economy. It is through collaboration and innovation that we will unlock new opportunities as envisaged by our National Development Plan. And the plan also recognizes the role MSMEs play to propel our nation towards future sustainable growth and prosperity. And I believe our partnership with China will also play a key role in achieving these objectives. So, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I'd like to express my sincere appreciation to the China Council for Promotion of International Trade, which is CCPIT, and their partners, CMAC, International Exhibition Company Limited, for facilitating this landmark expo. And we look forward to valuable connections and learning experiences, and of course mutually beneficial partnerships that will emerge from this event. And I encourage all of you, the media, members of the public, business organizations, and businesses to attend this expo. The admittance fee is totally free. So you can attend this expo, 3-day expo, at your own time. And I'm sure it will serve as a gateway for greater collaboration, of course, shared progress for both Fiji and China. So, Vinaka Bakalemu, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.